In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Printful inside label. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your branding on the inside neck area of a shirt or hoodie using Printful's built-in tools, and you'll avoid common pitfalls along the way. First, log in to your Printful account. If you haven't used the platform in a while, make sure you have your logo file ready, ideally a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background so it looks crisp and clean on fabric. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and open Stores. This is where all your connected storefronts live. Choose the store you want to work with so your changes land in the right place. From here, you can either click Add Product to create something new, or select an existing product to edit if you're updating an item you already sell. Both routes work the same for adding an inside label. Now, pick a shirt or hoodie that supports inside labels. Not every garment does. As a rule of thumb, look for products that specifically mention tearaway tags. Those are the ones that typically allow inside label printing. Tearaway tags make room for your branding and help ensure the print sits comfortably against the skin. Open the Design Maker. This is where you'll see your product and all available print areas. At the top toolbar, click Inside Label. That switches the canvas to the inner neck print zone so you can design the branding placement correctly. Pay attention to the size and safety guidelines shown on the canvas. Keeping your design within those boundaries helps prevent misprints and keeps everything readable. Next, choose a template from the Layers panel. Printful provides ready-made templates that usually include important details like size and care icons. These are incredibly helpful for compliance and clarity, and you can customize the text and layout to match your brand's voice. Keep the design simple and high contrast so it's easy to read on fabric. Upload your logo or custom branding and position it inside the label area. Use a clean, single color or minimal color version whenever possible, and make sure small text stays legible. If your logo includes fine lines, bump up the weight slightly so it prints clearly. Align everything visually centered for a professional look. When you're happy with the layout, save the product. This stores your design with the inside label applied. Take a moment to review the mock-ups and confirm the inside label looks correct on the chosen garment. That's it! You've successfully added a Printful inside label to elevate your brand presentation.